Hello my friends, welcome back to another review. Today we are looking at this water detector. It's Wi-Fi connection, remote control, real-time notification. This is great if you want to put it, I recommend putting one beside your hot water heater, beside your main water line. If you guys have, a furnace, put it beside your furnace, or anywhere that you want to be alert if water starts leaking. A lot of people do this for certain areas where there are circuit boards or breaker boxes, just different things. This is, you get a quick start guide. You get 3 sensors. 1, 2, and 3. Don't forget the little battery tool in there. You get the actual alarm unit. Now this is just going to plug into your wall outlet. You can adjust the settings on here and the sound and how volume and much more. Make sure you refer to your app for more features. For those curious, it takes a CR2450 3-volt battery. Once you plug it into your wall outlet, go ahead and press there we go. So that's how it's going to sound. You can adjust the volume. So as you can hear, it is very loud. Let me actually show you how this works. You're going to take this. Now, let's say the water level rises and it starts, wherever you have it put. It will go off once it senses the water. Then you're going to want to dry this off completely. And all you have to do is press one button to stop it. Just press one button, either the plus or minus on it, and it will stop. And just like that. Now if it gets wet again, our hands are a little wet here. As you guys can see, it goes off and it's triggered again. So make sure you completely dry it off before you place it back down. But yeah, these work great. And if you want to know how to pair it, you just press and hold your new ones. The manual goes over and says all that stuff, but these are really nice. I very much like them.